Hello students. So today we will finish today's the topic 1.8 voyaging towards excellence. I shall read the second last paragraph which already we had finished. Therefore I plunged into all these branches of knowledge. It was a period of renaissance for me. We used to discuss about relativity, Big Bang, aesthetics, literature, philosophy, economics and many other subjects every day until late into the nights. My cupboard was full of books on a variety of topics. It is only because of the human curiosity that we have been able to make such a great progress in science and technology and social sciences. I have a number of limitations, but one thing I'm proud of is the curiosity, humility, and humanity that is concern for our fellow human beings. I learned these values during my IIT days. I also became a firm believer in rationalism and equality for all the caste, creeds, races, genders, and religions. I started treating nature as God and humanity as religion. I passed from IIT, joined a non-violent social movement for tribals with Sarvodaya, participated in a peaceful satyagraha, went to jail for 10 days, came back to Mumbai, was jobless for a while, worked for rupees 125 per month to supervise workers at the night shift in a mechanical workshop, changed 13 houses in Mumbai, and finally settled on information technology as my career. I spent 32 years in information technology, out of which I was a chief executive officer or MD or the software head for 23 years for the large global multinational software companies with thousands of software professionals worldwide and six offices in the US, three in Europe, one in Japan, and one in Australia. I had to travel all over the globe around 150 times for business. During this period, I had also written four books with 500 to 700 pages, each on information technology, published by Tata, McGraw, Hill, and then translated into Chinese for global distribution. I learned a lot of things when I was running these large companies. The first one was the importance of teamwork. In today's world, nothing is impossible without teamwork. Nothing is possible without teamwork. You cannot be successful if you are a loner and an egoistic person. Secondly, you need to lead from the front by setting a good example in front of your staff. Third was that you need to treat your subordinates and your colleagues as friends. In my career, I made a few mistakes but learned a lot about motivation, being a good listener, target setting, and the art of delegation was forms such as an important part of today's management. So Achyut Godbole, by giving his own example, he tries to explain that only having talent, only having degrees, you cannot be successful in the life. But you should also consider the other people. You should also respect them. Even though whatever you are doing as your work, you cannot be successful when you are doing it alone. When you are including all the other people with you, when you are doing the work as a teamwork, when you are not uh, means when you are not bossing your uh, teammates or your colleagues or your subordinate, but when you are having the relation as a friendly with them, then the work, whatever work you are doing, however difficult, however challenging the work is, it can be done very easily, very smoothly with the help of all these people. So for that purpose, he had already mentioned these qualities: humility and humanity. So that is the important thing. Not having mere talent, mere success, mere wealth is not giving you real success actually. But all these things are also important with that. So after working all these software companies for so many years, I wanted to return to my first love, that is to read and write on various subjects concerning human life and existence. So concerning means which relates. So he wanted to write. So that is his love, that he loves very much to write and to read and to write. So however success he has got, he is not satisfied still that. The real satisfaction he got after writing the different books on various subjects, the subjects which are concerned, which are related to the humanity. और ऐसा कोई भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं है वो जो ह्यूमन से रिलेट नहीं करता है कि नहीं? जो भी हमने पहले भी देखा, वेदर इट इज़ अ फिलोसॉफी, वेदर इट इज़ एस्थेटिक्स और साइकोलॉजी और पॉलिटिकल साइंस और सोशल साइंस, सो मेनी थिंग्स, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, religious, etc. So different types of subjects, he had equal interest in all this, and he had that group in which he used to discuss about all these subjects. He used to share his thoughts, he used to listen to others opinions, and in this way he developed so much interest and he got very deep knowledge in all these subjects. So that was the reason he turned to write the books. Therefore I gave up two offices. Yes, I wanted to return to my first love, that is to read and write on various subjects concerning human life and existence. Therefore I gave up two offices of around 3 crore rupees per annum to become a writer. This is how my second innings as a writer in Marathi began. सिर्फ राइटर बनने के लिए उसने इतना ज़्यादा 3 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा एनुअल इनकम देने वाले ऑफिसेस जो थे, उसके दो ऑफिसेस उसने बंद कर दिए. ओके, ही गेव अप. वाई? बिकॉज he wanted the time to write in Marathi, to express himself in Marathi. So he started that work. After this, I have written about 34 books in Marathi. कुछ दो चार नहीं, लेकिन 34 बुक्स उन्होंने लिखे हैं मराठी में. मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव बिकम बेस्ट सेलर्स विथ tens of thousands of copies sold for each. However, it is not the sales or money that is important to me as much as the fact that these books have brought about very good changes in the lives of thousands of readers. After reading my autobiography, Musafir, and a book on psychology, Manat, hundreds have come out of depression, and more than a dozen have given up thoughts of committing suicide and decided to start all afresh. There are hundreds who tell me that they understood the theory of relativity or Big Bang after reading my book on science की मायागार. So that is इसको सक्सेस कहते हैं कि बुक्स कितना सेल हुए, दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. उसके ऊपर सक्सेस नहीं है राइटर का. लेकिन राइटर का जो बुक जब लोग पढ़ते हैं और उनमें चेंजेस होते हैं, उनमें जब पॉजिटिव चेंजेस होते हैं, अच्छे बदलाव होते हैं, सो दैट इज़ द रियल क्रेडिट टू द राइटर. वो क्रेडिट जाता है राइटर को और वही सक्सेसफुल कहलाता है. तो इतने सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स उनको आए जब इनका ऑटोबायोग्राफी और उनका साइकोलॉजिकल बुक जब भी लोगों ने पढ़ा, तो दे एक्सप्रेस दैट बिफोर दैट दे वेर रियली इन फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इन डिप्रेशन, एंड दे वांटेड टू कमिट सुसाइड. लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी सोच बदल ली है एंड दे हैड स्टार्टेड न्यू. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग actually which is really has big मेक्स द डिफरेंस. सो साइंस के ऊपर भी उन्होंने जो बुक लिखा, so it became very much popular because it really defines the theory of relativity in very simple manner. My book Boardroom on Management has created at least 20 successful entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs means the small scale business, the people who are doing, the owners of the small scale business, they are called entrepreneurs. तो ये बुक पढ़ के कम से कम वो कहते हैं कि 20 क्रिएट हो गए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स सक्सेसफुल. So then there are hundreds who tell me that they now can understand economic times or NDTV profit after reading my book on economics. अर्थात तो कौन से सब्जेक्ट पे उन्होंने लिखा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. वेदर साइकोलॉजी और इकोनॉमिक्स और मैनेजमेंट और साइंस, कितनी सारी वैरायटी ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स पे उन्होंने लिखा है, वो भी सक्सेसफुली, एंड हैविंग द लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द रीडर्स. मेनी हैव टर्न टू मैथमेटिक्स आफ्टर रीडिंग माई बुक ऑन मैथमेटिक्स गणित. द सेम इज ट्रू अबाउट माई बुक ऑन इंडियन म्यूजिक, that is Nadaved, English literature Zapurza, painting canvas, Western films Limelight, and Western music Symphony, or books such as Genius series, or Rakta, or Vitamins, or Amartha. Amartha, it is the reactions of thousands of readers and the feeling that I'm touching the hearts of thousands, if not lakhs, of my readers that keeps me going. So why am I telling you my story? जो जितने भी सारे बुक्स लिखे हैं सक्सेसफुल हो गए, और बहुत सारे वैरायटी ऑफ टॉपिक्स पर उन्होंने लिखा है. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई सब्जेक्ट के जिस पर उन्होंने लिखा नहीं है. So why I'm telling you my story? When I look back, there are a number of lessons and values that I cherish and keep learning about even today. Some of these are thirst for knowledge, curiosity, humanity, rationality, equality, teamwork, quest for excellence, never say die, thinking big. So that's all. We have finished the lesson by Achyut Godbole. We'll stop here today. Thank you.